Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to be having a look at the Fitbit Versa 2 smartwatch and just generally looking at the features and functions and how it works. So from the outside, I'll just quickly run through it. We've got a case there which is 12mm deep. We've got a curved AMOLED screen there, so you can sort of see the smooth edges. You've got one button on this side, a microphone this side, and you've got a sensor on the back here. Okay, so let's just go back to the home screen. So there you go, we've just got the brief stats on the front, your time, your steps, heart rate and calories burnt. If we scroll up, this is how many steps we've done in the day, the distance travelled, how many stairs have been climbed, the calories burned and active minutes. You've got average steps over the week, and that's that for that menu. From this side, we've got exercise, alarm, Spotify, timer, relaxing, music, wallet, weather, settings, and some other bits. Okay, there's Alexa there. Although Alexa's on this shortcut of this button as well, which I'll be showing you. Okay, and in the exercise one, which is one of the main ones, this is how you sort of set one of your exercises for it to record it. So just select whichever one it is and click on start. Okay, for the run ones and the cycle ones, they connect up to your phone, so it tracks that as well. Okay, messaging is really neat on this watch as well. I'll just show you how to use that. So you just scroll in from the top, click on one of your messages. So hi, how's it going when you'll be here? And then here's your different options. And for this instance, we'll click on reply. So we've got emojis down the bottom. You can pick one of these ones, or if you want your own ones, you can set them within the Fitbit app. You can do text replies with pre-formatted text. So you've got them three standard ones. Click on there for some more. And these can be set again inside the Fitbit app. But for this example, we'll do the Alexa voice reply. I'm good, thanks. I'll see you at 2 p.m. Okay, perfect. So just click on send. And off it goes. Okay, on to some helpful facts now, which Alexa can help you with. Who was the last US president? How do you say please in Spanish? So that's the review for the Fitbit Versa 2. Hopefully you found that helpful and useful and it's helped answer your questions. If you decide to buy this, then I've put a link below in the comments, so check that out. And if you like this video, obviously give us a like and subscribe. And join me on another video where I'll take a closer look at some of the other features.